It gives me immense pleasure and a deep sense of privilege to welcome you all to this inaugural session of annual group meet of AICRP on Mechanization of Animal Husbandry. It's a profound honor to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. M.S. Chauhanji, in this inaugural session of annual group meet of Mechanization of Animal Husbandry. Honorable Vice Chancellor is a global pioneer in animal biotechnology. We are equally privileged to have with us Dr. Shyam Narayan Jha, DDG Agriculture Engineering, whose pioneering contributions in precision agriculture, sensor-based technologies, and digital transformation of agriculture engineering have significantly shaped Indian agriculture's mechanization roadmap.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. M.S. Chauhan sir, Honorable Deputy Director Agriculture Engineering, Dr. S.N. Jha sir, Dr. K.P. Singh sir, Dr. Husbandry sir, Dr. C.R. Mehta sir, Director CIE Bhopal. So I am going to present here the progress report of this mechanization, AICRP on mechanization of animal husbandry for the period of 2025-26. And just to brief, these are the reach of the AICRP till since its inception. We have presently at nine centers are operating. One is CIE Bhopal, MPAT Udaipur, GBPAT Pantnagar, US Raichur. These are the old centers established in 1987. This mechanization of animal husbandry, researchable areas in MAH for SFC. We have seen that this is basically a mechanized solution for animal husbandry activities, and they have developed this and using a solar power and all the portable unit for 100 birds. So here we can also see that whenever there may be Fagar activates and the relative humidity and other things are being maintained. And this CAU Gangtok has worked on saddle for yak, and the testing and other things have been. So here we can also see that they have also worked on the status of animal husbandry mechanization. The project has been completed and they could be able to see that 0.15 to 0.20 kilowatt per hectare.
Respected Dr. Manmohan Singh Chauhan Sahab, who is Vice Chancellor of GBPAT Pantnagar, Dr. S.N. Jha Sahab, Deputy Director General Agriculture Engineering ICR, participating in 25th workshop of AICRP on mechanization of animal husbandry from 9 centers, farmers and media personnel. First of all, I welcome all of you to 25th workshop of mechanization of animal husbandry at GBPAT Pantnagar. We also thank Vice Chancellor of the University, Sri Chauhan Sahab, for agreeing to host this workshop at this university.
The people at the villages are not ready to take up agriculture as an important activity. We are seeing a kind of migration from villages to the urban areas, and whenever we go, we always feel a kind of human resource crunch in the villages, and nobody wants to take up. And even for smaller things like even harvesting and everything becomes very, very difficult in such scenarios. And to say that we need to produce more, and also you should see that it becomes more sustainable and also a kind of economical for the farmers.
It is nostalgic feeling for me to be in this university because I was a student in this university. I did my BTech and MTech from this university. What is the importance of this project and how its importance has been increased by changing its name and mandate from utilization of animal energy to mechanization of animal husbandry. Utilization of animal energy means energy just for the development of machine to be used by the animals. And now this project is doing work for the animal health, animal ergonomics, even animal energy, and animal hygiene, everything.
Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Chauhan is my old colleague when I was working together in NDRA Karnal. Actually, regular scientist, I started working in NDRA in 1994 to 1999. And my colleague in headquarters, Dr. KP Singh, Dr. Husbandry, Director Research and Deans of this university, Dr. Mehta, Dr. SP Singh, and Barmaji, all the peoples and many old guards of this scheme, and research engineers, scientists. This is an annual workshop. Annual workshop is actually the official meeting to evaluate, monitor and have a course corrections, if any, required for better output for the nation. You know the ICR is a very important organization not only for the India but for the world. So everyone is now looking towards us. And really we have started contributing not only in food and feed and fiber, but in animal products also throughout the world. So through this workshop I request you to have a orientation program. जब नए बच्चे एडमिशन लेते हैं ना यूनिवर्सिटी में, तो पहला ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम होता है, एग्रीकल्चर में आए हो तो करना क्या है, क्या होता है. So every year can we conduct an orientation program of the scheme, all the culture of these schemes and what has been happened. 40 years is not, we have entered in 48 years, so this is not less time. So all should know, and you should have one booklet, 4 decades of MAH book. So do something important so that the other people, whoever will coming on this chair, whoever will be becoming PC next time, he or she can defend your scheme very well. Thank you very much.
Deputy Director General of Agriculture and Engineering, and also my friend Dr. Hasan Jha, ADG Farm Engineering Dr. KP Singh, Director ICR CIEA Bhopal Dr. CR Mehta, Project Coordinator Dr. SP Singh, ADG Animal Husbandry Dr. Devakar Himdari, former ADG Farm Machinery Dr. KK Singh, all the deans, directors, faculty members, scientists, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, and media personnel. It is indeed great, immense pleasure to me where we are looking forward to have a review meeting for mechanization of animal husbandry, where the projects have been implemented across the country in 9 centers. And whenever we are talking mechanization, we have to see that today, if you want to really become a Viksit Bharat, you need to focus yourself on mechanization. And the mechanization with the animal husbandry is indeed a great initiative, and thanks to the ICAR. But you see that our biodata is mainly that the leadership what we have and what we are looking forward in future, what we are going to inculcate with our scientists. Science is this, something should come out for the benefit of the humankind, and that is science, and that is the science. If somebody asks you what you are doing, I am doing science. What science? I am doing something for the betterment of the society. Science will give outcome if you sit beyond 5 o'clock everywhere in ICR system, you can find the scientists are sitting after 5 o'clock doing his research and getting the outcome. And outcome in terms of publications, outcome in terms of the patent, outcome in terms of the technology. We should not follow the routine things. Earlier it was a UAE program, now it became a mechanization program, but more or less our thinking are same. The GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, very good university, but lot of efforts need to be done further in order to keep this university in top position amongst the agriculture universities. The ultimate benefit is to get the technologies and to see by 2047 a Viksit Bharat, and that can be only possible by you such a good people, very nice people, very dedicated people. Little more efforts is required, that's it, and definitely we will get it done. Thank you so much once again, and thank you to Honorable VDG and ST.
It is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks at the conclusion of this inaugural session of 25th annual workshop of the All India Coordinated Research Project on Mechanization of Animal Husbandry. I would like to express my sincere and heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed Chief Guest, Honorable Dr. S.N. Jha Sahab, Deputy Director General, Agriculture Engineering, ICR, New Delhi. Also like to convey my sincere thanks to our respected Chairman of the sixth function, Professor Manmohan Singh Chauhan Sahab, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Govind Ballabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar. Last but not the least, I thank all the participants for their enthusiastic presence and cooperation.